Today I'm going to teach you how to find the Squarespace login. This might sound straightforward, but depending on your screen size or the current homepage design, that login button can sometimes be tricky to spot. Let's walk through exactly where to find it and how to access your account. First, open your web browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice that Squarespace has a very visually focused design with large images and promotional content taking up most of the screen. This is intentional for showcasing their platform, but it can make certain navigation elements harder to locate at first glance. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes you genuinely can't see the login button clearly because of the background imagery that Squarespace uses on their homepage. The contrast between the text and the background can make it blend in, especially if you're viewing it on different devices or screen resolutions. So don't worry if it takes you a moment to spot it. What you need to do is direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Get Started. This is their call to action for new users who want to begin building a website, but we're not interested in that button right now. Instead, look just to the left of Get Started. Right there, you'll find the login option. It's usually displayed as plain text or a simple button, and it's positioned right next to Get Started in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Login. This will take you to the Squarespace login page where you can access your account. Once the page loads, you'll see several options for signing in. You can input your email address and password directly if you already have a Squarespace account set up with those credentials. Alternatively, you can choose to log in through Google, Apple, or Facebook, which can be faster and more convenient if you've linked your account to one of those services. For this tutorial, we're going to log in through Google, so locate the button that says Continue with Google and click on it. This will redirect you to a Google authentication page where you'll need to input your Google account details. Enter the email address associated with your Google account and follow any additional prompts, such as entering your password or completing two-factor authentication if you have that enabled. Once you've successfully authenticated through Google, Squarespace will verify your credentials and log you into your account. After a brief moment, you'll be directed straight to your Squarespace dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage your websites, view analytics, adjust settings, and access all the tools Squarespace offers for building and maintaining your site. And that's it. You've successfully found and accessed the Squarespace login, and you're now ready to work on your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.